segment of Maker Monday. We are spending some time in the kitchen with Chef John Alunni at the Cutting Edge Classroom. Today's menu, well, we're headed to Thailand for Thai street food. Chef, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
My passion for cooking started back when I was like 3 years old. I'm an Italian, so I was raised in an Italian family. So you can imagine 20 people sitting around the table on a Sunday talking too loud and arguing over whose food's the best. And, you know, that's how I started.
A start with food that's resulted in culinary education.
We started out teaching kids classes at the Carnes Community Club. And then we decided to get a brick and mortar and started classes here for kids, and that ended up changing to adult classes and kids classes. So now we do both, and parent-child classes, tons of adult classes, and kids.
Teaching East Tennesseans the ins and outs of cooking in a hands-on way.
When it comes to cooking, hands-on is everything. That's how you're going to remember it. And there's also a lot of science involved in cooking. And, you know, you could pull a recipe off Google and make it, and it might not come out the same every time, or it might not come out right, because you really have to be able to feel the food with your hands, smell it, see it. It's about your senses. And we show people how to take a recipe and make it their own. You just have to do it. So that's why hands-on is it.
Where hands-on learning meets team building and fellowship. You know, the best thing about Chef John's class is that you're truly building teamwork all while making great food. So let's get to it.
We're doing Thai cuisine, so we're going to do some Thai street food. Our menu kind of looks like this. We're doing fresh spring rolls, and this is a lot of hands-on and demonstration. We're making Thai chicken curry, Thai chicken wings, pad Thai, and coconut sticky rice with mango will be our dessert. So we've got a 5-course going on tonight, so it's going to be fun.
And you can always expect a 5-course meal at Chef's classes.
Expect to have a fun time. It's a very safe environment. It's good for anybody, so you could be, you know, advanced to beginner to never step foot in the kitchen before. We know how to handle all that, but you're definitely going to have fun. You're going to eat really good food. We don't just do little tastings, so you get pretty much a meal with every class, unless it's a pastry or baking class, and you get a lot of sweets. You're going to see demonstrations from our chefs, and you're going to get to do it hands-on as well. So there's always a hands-on component. Some are more than others, but you'll definitely get your hands dirty and have a good time.
Having a good time with the Cutting Edge. The Cutting Edge Classroom is the perfect place to take cooking classes with your friends and family, have a date night with your loved ones, and just come out and have some truly delicious, great food. Whether it's cooking international dishes like Thai street food or Indian food, or maybe even taking a spin and trying out baking with cookies and cakes, Chef John Alunni truly does have the perfect place to learn it all. All you have to do is head to his website, thecuttingedgeclassroom.com, and since we're making food, it's always a great time to come out and chow. Ciao. We'll see y'all later.
Ciao, ciao.
She's messed up now because she's shown us she knows how to make that recipe. Now I'm going to make her do it for us.
We're going to hold her feet to the fire on that for sure.